In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscription products in GoHighLevel. We're going to build a subscription that bills customers automatically on a schedule, and I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to fill out and why. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account and make sure you're in the correct location for the business you want to bill under. This matters because payments, products, and customers are all tied to that specific sub-account. From your dashboard, head to Payments in the left-hand menu. This is your central hub for invoices, products, and of course, subscriptions. Inside Payments, open the Subscription section. Here you'll see any existing subscriptions and a place to create new ones. Click Add Subscription to begin. The first area you'll complete is Customer Details. Search for and select the correct contact so receipts, failed payment notices, and renewal reminders go to the right person. Double-check the primary email and billing address if they're available, since these details affect tax calculations, payment receipts, and compliance. Next, move into your subscription details. Give your subscription a clear internal name that makes sense to your team, especially if you plan to offer multiple tiers. Choose the billing frequency that fits your offer, monthly, quarterly, or annually, and keep your promise to customers in mind as you set this cadence. A clean, descriptive name and a consistent interval make reporting and support much easier down the road. Now set the bill start date. Pick when the first charge should occur. You can start today or choose a future date if you're aligning billing with a program kickoff or a trial. Be mindful of time zones and weekends if you want charges to land on business days. Add your product or products to the subscription. If you're bundling multiple items, add each one so the system can total them properly. Then set the price for each product. Confirm the currency and whether taxes are included or added on top, and keep your pricing consistent with what's shown on your checkout or proposal. Enter the quantity. This is helpful when you sell seats, licenses, or units. The system will multiply the price by the quantity each billing cycle. Finally, click Schedule. You'll see a preview of upcoming charges with dates, subtotals, taxes, and the total per cycle. Review everything carefully: customer, products, price, quantity, and start date. If anything looks off, go back and adjust it now so the renewal timeline is clean and predictable. That's it. You've created a subscription product in GoHighLevel that will bill on autopilot, stay organized for your team, and provide a consistent experience for your customers.